chase. Short-handed, Ross moving in. Taylor Ross a shot, rebound, Joseph scores! A short-handed goal for Jadon Joseph, the 5th shorty of the playoffs for the Hurricanes, and Lethbridge strikes first. It's 1-0. Backdoor Ross, great save, Skinner! That's his best of the series. But Cousins, Bellerive, stopped by Skinner. That's a beauty. Dying seconds of the 5-on-3. Franklin, Olsen, right circle, backdoor, Barlage scores! A power play goal for Logan Barlage, the former Bronco. Gets his Colby Sissons leaves for Steenbergen. He'll walk in. A shot, he scores! He rifled it over the glove of Flodell, and it's 2-1. Has time. Waits, moves in. He shoots. Glove save by Logan Flodell. My goodness, what a stop. Morrison works his way to the right boards. Now down it to the line. Centers. Cousins shot. Rebound. Score. Taylor Ross. And it's 3-1. Moving in on the left wing, Merezko cuts to the net, stopped by Skinner. And a glove saved by Skinner, and no rebound as Bellerive pushes and shoves with Gable and Anderson. Right after it, Elmer in, down the right boards, plays it back for Joseph, backhand off the side of the net. Elmer gets it centered, and that was blocked by Sissons. Are the Hurricanes as Barlage digs out a loose puck, stolen, centered by Steenbergen, up in the air, and it's on top of the net. And they'll blow it dead with 2:18 to go in the second. Man falls in front, Flodell stop. Patterson drove the front of the net and jarred the puck loose, but the whistle had gone. Seconds left in the second period. Addison loads and fires, he scores! A bullet by Addison on the power play. It's 4-1 Lethbridge in game 4. Comes out with it. Olsen leaves at the line for Addison. That was dangerous. Addison, a shot, he scores! What do I know? 5-1.
I know it's Taco Tuesday. It's now Taco Wednesday.
Side. Olsen to Bellerive, quick shot, rebound. Comes to Olsen, centered, and Cousins had a stick check. It's not Groundhog Day, but it feels like it for the Broncos. Back-to-back 5-1 victories for the Lethbridge Hurricanes. We're all even at 2 apiece. It's now down to a best of 3.